morning, good morning. So you guys know I just completed the Trader Joe's haul, and now I'm back because I have this eucalyptus plant, and what I want to do is go ahead and combine the two and hang it over my shower. So I'm going to just simply combine these two plants together, and yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so now I'm in the shower and I need to figure out how do I attach this to this. So, yeah, it was really simple. I just literally just put the branches together one by one and then re-tied them with the rubber band. Nothing fancy at all. But now I'm thinking, how do I apply this to the shower? So let me figure out some ways and then I will show you guys the finish completeness. Okay guys, so I am back and here is the final look for my eucalyptus homemade concoction. So you know I have been seeing a lot of the beauty girls. They've been having this eucalyptus plant hanging in their shower, and it's crazy because on Amazon this plant is like greater than $30, $40, and $50. And I'm like, but it's just a plant. Why is it so expensive? So basically each piece I got, as I showed you guys in my haul yesterday from Trader Joe's, this is two separate eucalyptus plants that I just said, let me just go ahead and try to put this together as one plant. And that's what I did. And I already smell the freshness. And I can't wait to take a shower, actually, and let it open up my pores and get all aromatherapeutic like. So this is the finished product. I basically just took the rubber band and just wrapped it around. I don't know if this is like ideal, but this is what works for me for now, and I am okay with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, you guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on the way out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank y'all.